Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on this theme. Name it, select OK Creative and close the app. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change font style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. You can even adjust them to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can pick one of these sources, for example photos. Select the photo that you want to apply, click on it, adjust it and click at the top right corner. When you're done with customizing your edges, click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper. Click Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, select Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. From here you need to go with Yes, tap on the switcher over here, go back. And sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. It should be over here somewhere. Select Home again and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!